Rate of change of velocity. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with time. In one dimension, acceleration is the rate at which something speeds up or slows down. Acceleration describes the rate of change of both the magnitude and the direction of velocity. In SI units, acceleration is measured in meters per second square. It is a measure of the change in the velocity of an object per unit time. That is, acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time taken. If the velocity of an object changes from an initial value u to the final value v in time t, the acceleration a is v minus u upon t. Uniform or constant acceleration is a type of motion in which the velocity of an object changes by an equal amount in every equal time period. On the other hand, an object can travel with non-uniform acceleration if its velocity changes at a non-uniform rate.